Hello YouTube, Bart. And in this video we are at the subway station, also known as Bart, which stands for Bay Area Rapid Transit. We're at the West Dublin Pleasanton station. We're gonna be going all the way downtown and meeting MalarkeyMan there. And I know the subway station is in the middle of the freeway, but who cares? We're just gonna climb up those and go into that building over there. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we're on that bridge, and hopefully the Bart will be coming. Oh, the Lion King. I've seen that before. But we're going to be walking around here. I'll show you guys when the Bart. We're now on the Bart now, and we're at Castro Valley Station. And now the doors are closing. And this is how fast we're going to go. The doors open again. Alright, here we go. She's gonna go pretty fast. We're not in Kester. We just passed the station. See, we're going pretty fast now. So I used to live in the Bay Area, and I rode Bart a couple times. Actually, no, not a couple times. Like, I would say maybe 50 times? 50? You can see they're pretty dirty, but who cares? See how loud it's pretty loud. We're now under the bay. We're now under the bay. Because the Bart goes under the bay, so now we're under the bay now. I'll film when we get up at our stop where we're meeting with MalarkeyMan. Yeah, so right now we're under the bay. Yeah. So I can't wait until we get off our stop. We're gonna be in downtown San Francisco now. Alright, we're at our stop now. Powell Street Station. Alright, we're here. See, we're here now. Now we're gonna watch the Bart go. In Powell Street, I've been going here since when I was a little toddler. I used to just run across just to look. A lot of people that were in the Bart with us are, they are coming off the train. So I'm gonna film the Bart going back. Alright, here it goes. Wait, it's gonna close, the doors are gonna close. So right now we're in San Francisco and we're on the Bart, and here are some of the new Bart signs. They're pretty designed, pretty cool. Alright, here it goes. So that's this. If you hear this, if you're at a Bart station, you hear this weird noise that's about to it sounds like an earthquake. It's the streetcar. It's kind of like a bus, but it goes on the car. So it's just streetcar, no earthquake. But that was awesome. Now it's going to Civic Center, which that's where they have a lot of fancy design and stuff like that. So yeah. So this station is old. It's one of the first stations. So yeah, we'll meet you guys with MalarkeyMan. Coming. See, there's a sign right here. Oh, focus, camera, focus. Oh god, I bumped into that. We're showing you another one. It looks bigger in person because I've been watching a lot of these videos. going down. And I want to give a shout out to Bart Fantasy or whatever, I don't know what it's called, but he's been making these cool like HD videos. He does really good like directing, editing stuff, and yeah, I want to give a shout out to him. He's been almost going to every single station in Bart. Here's Pal. Here's his pal right here. Alright, here it goes. Just like this. Alright, here's another one. Another train coming. Here's the phone. I like these little things. It reminds me of, like, I don't know, Alright, yeah, you can see it back. Alright, so the doors are going to pull the camera. There it goes. Alright, so now we're gonna meet MalarkeyMan, and he's probably up there because we're underground, and we're on Market Street right now. So yeah. Oh, and here's that streetcar noise. See? Listen. That's the streetcar. It's not. Alright, we're going up. Here's the station down here. And we're going up. And these things, there's a Macy's. There's Macy's and Union Square, which we're close to. And it reminds me of that. See, because we're going down right here. So yeah, we're going up. Boom, we're up. Alright, I'm gonna film us putting the tickets.